In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatic AI sound effects in Filmora. If you've got a great video that's missing sound, this is a quick and simple way to bring it to life with smart generated audio that fits what's on screen. Start by opening Filmora. When it loads, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. This gives you a fresh workspace and helps keep everything organized from the start. Next, import the video that has no sound. You can use the import button or drag the file directly into the media panel. Make sure you're choosing the version of your clip that's truly silent so the AI-generated effect stands out and doesn't clash with any existing audio. Now, drag your video down to the timeline. Placing it on the timeline makes the rest of the audio tools available and ensures the sound you generate will line up with your visuals. With the clip in place, look for the audio section in the interface and click on Audio. This opens the collection of sound features in Filmora. From there, click on AI Audio to access Filmora's intelligent audio tools designed to speed up your workflow. Then select AI Sound Effect. This is the feature that will create a brand new effect based on what you ask for. You'll see a text field where you can describe the sound you want to generate. Be clear and specific. Mention the type of sound, the mood, and any timing cues that matter. For example, you might describe a soft whoosh for a quick transition, a dramatic impact for a title reveal, or gentle ambient rain for a moody scene. The more detail you provide, the closer the AI can match your intention. If your moment is very short or very long, it helps to note that in your description as well. You can also adjust the sound effect duration before generating. Set it to match the exact moment on the timeline where the effect should be heard. Aligning duration with your visual cue, like a cut, a movement, or a reveal, makes the result feel polished and intentional. Small timing refinements here can make a big difference. After that, click on Generate. Filmora will process your description and create the effect. That's all there is to it. You've added automatic AI sound effects to your silent video in just a few steps. If you like the result, you're ready to keep building out your project with confidence using the same approach for other moments that need impact or atmosphere.